Hello everyone. So our project for week 3 is Astra, AI-powered customer support chatbot using Nextjs and AI. So coming to our team, so we are a member of 4, and then I am Vinay Upadhyaya. So our goal was to develop an interactive chat interface that enhances user enhancement by integrating various AI models and also developing a context-specific chatbot. So this is a technology stack that we have used in developing this application. Our application is deployed onto Vercel as well as Amazon EC2 instance. And so first we have started with Gemini 1.5 Flash API, and the results were great, but not promising enough because it could not refer to its own conversation, though we are providing it with the history. So then we have implemented it using Meta's Llama. The results were very promising, and then we have tried to integrate it with the retrieval augmented generation. So why do we do this? Because all models try to give output in a generalized fashion. So if I want to develop an application that is niche or specific to a particular set of users, or if I am a product owner and I want to give my users an AI chatbot that would only respond based on the product details. So it would not give unnecessary or unrelevant or irrelevant output to the user. So that is where we use retrieval augmented generation. And we have used the Bedrocker API, Llama, Hugging Face, Langchain, and we have tried to give an Olympic data for the for the model. So what is RAG in a nutshell? So as you can see in this PPT, so we basically first we give a question. So it goes and tries to fetch the data that is relevant to this query. And once it retrieves the text, it combines the question with the relevant prompt to fully give a prompt to the original model. So the original model stays intact, but we first try to enhance the accuracy by providing a context knowledge based to the RAG model. So the future enhancement is we would like to go with LLM orchestration. So that part we haven't achieved in this week. So we would definitely extend the project to give the LLM orchestration so that if you give a query based on multiple models that exist, so that query would go to the correct context model and give the context-based reply instead of staying with a one static context or one single context. So that is for a wide range of audience or wide set of audience. So this was a great learning, and now these are the references that we have followed. So the Medium articles provided by the Headstarter team was very helpful, and also we had great help on the Discord. So coming to our application, so this one is the Olympic specific niche model. So when I ask it, for example, when did the Olympics start? So in this scenario, the future enhancement also would be a multilingual AI. So if you could input in multiple languages also, it would respond. So as you can see, when I trained it based on the Olympics data, so it said when did the Olympics start, it gave a clear response of when did the Olympics start and what the Olympic Games are about. And so the RAG model currently is taking a bit time compared to the normal Llama or Gemini direct API integration. So we also have to work on this in order to reduce the retrieval time. Maybe we could first give the knowledge base, set the context, and then uh, maybe directly hit all the consequent data so that the first time takes more time, the load time or the knowledge based training time based on the vector embeddings, and then maybe subsequent responses would be faster. That is what is for also enhancement. So as you can see, it generated all the games that are present in the Olympics. So this is the RAG model, which is niche specific to the Olympics data. And we also have a normal model. So for example, if I ask who are you to this model, it would definitely generate and say I'm a Llama AI assistant. So if I say to it like crack a joke, as you can see, these responses are faster. So so it would respond all these. So if I this the Llama model is very, very promising because if I say how did our conversations start, then it would say our conversation started with your initial message, say hello. So if I say, can you refer to your uh joke again? Yeah, so it said it said it's my infamous joke. Let's shift the topic. So if I say, do you know who is say so it definitely gave a answer within seconds. So this is our integration. So and we named it as Astra, Astra meaning a powerful weapon. So this chatbot can be a powerful weapon and enhances the user experience, and it also brings AI integrated with a UI. So wherein anyone who doesn't know the knowledge about the AI can also use our application. So they are very enhancements to do. So this is the landing page. So this is basically once you log in, this is a landing page for our application. So once we have given a Google authentication so that to track how many users are using and the application doesn't go into a negative impact or negative hands because we know who are the users using the application. So it can be used for logs and monitoring. So this is the Google authentication that redirects. And then as I am already logged in previously in my application, it redirects back to the home page. So this is our application as a whole. Thank you so much.